Alright, so we're going to find an equation of a line tangent to y equals 2 over t and parallel to the line y equals negative 1/8 t plus 7. So we're going to first remember our derivative that we used from before. So you could say y prime or f prime of x. They're all the same thing, but f prime of, well, and it really would be t because t is the variable, but f prime of t is equal to negative 2 over t squared. And I know that this is the slope at any of my points, so that has to be equal to my m. Well, in order for them to be parallel, they have to have the same slope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that negative 1 over 8 and plug it in right here. So negative 2 t squared is equal to negative 1 over 8. So I like to go ahead and cross multiply here. So you get t squared is equal to 16. Negative t squared and negative 16. Well, I'm just going to make both those positive, and so t equals 4 or negative 4. Both of them work out. So I just need to find an equation. It doesn't say both that are parallel, so I'm just going to use a positive 4 here. And so I know I've got the point 4 comma, and then I have to figure out what the y is. Well, if I plug in 4 for t, I'm going to get 1/2. So here's my slope, here's my point. Y minus 1/2 is equal to negative 1/8 x minus 4. And that's the equation of my line that's tangent to that equation and parallel to the line.